Single or taken?
Taken for granted.
Fast talk with anak ng CEO na taga Lasal. I'm here with Tristan Sica. Fast talk, ready?
Let's go.
Alright. Green or blue?
Blue.
PLS Utaf or Benil?
Benilde.
Anak ng CEO or anak ng Dean?
Anak ng CEO.
Starbucks or coffee shops near town?
Starbucks.
Blockmate crush or prof crush?
Prof crush.
Hey!
Wala kayong narinig.
Yung skit ideas mo ba based on true story or imagination?
True story.
Influencer or TikTok virality?
TikTok virality. Yeah, pera yan eh. Diba?
Allowance or side hustle?
Depende gano'ng kalaki yung allowance.
Pero sa CEO, like, malaki na.
How much allowance? Right?
Baka magalit si dad eh.
Siguro, yung allowance mo 6 digits, is it in peso or dollar?
In peso lang.
Best Benil Tambayan spot?
The SDA generator.
Mayabang or confident?
Confident.
Yes po or happy sir?
Yes po.
The most Lasallian thing you've ever done?
Maging mabait.
First thing you'd actually do if you became the CEO of Lasal?
I think magpapa-concert ako sa lahat ng branch ng Kasal.
Ako yung
Yeah, ikaw.
Last question. Sino yung crush mo?
Uy!
Sa videos.
Sa videos?
Lagi mong binibring up sa videos mo yung crush mo.
Sino yun?
Ayaw niya sabihin, bro.
Wala, bawal para ako mag-crush eh.
Single or taken?
Taken for granted. Joke lang.